Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. In this video you will see 12.1, 12.2 and 12.3. Question number 1. Determine if the following are in proportion. So that is A part. If the external point, I am explaining only one part, after that you can do 15, 45, that 40 and then 120. If the multiply of these two and these two will be same, then that will be yes. If the multiply of external and internal are equal, then that will be yes. Similarly B part that will be no, because both multiply are not equal. C part also no, D part also no, E part yes, F part yes. Similarly in that second question, same thing you will be do. 16 multiply 30 is equal to 24 multiply 20, that will be equal, so that will be true. So A, B are true, C is false because both are not equal, D is true, E is false and T is true. Are the following statement true? Similarly, that is external multiply product of external is equal to product of internal, so that first, second, third, fourth is true and E part is false. So that in fourth question, determine the following ratio from a proper ratio. Also write the middle term and extreme term where the ratio from a proper ratio. So that A part, fourth A part, that is a 25 centimeter and then 1 meter and then and rupees 40, that is rupees 160. So that the middle of both and then outer of both multiply is, this is the middle, that is the middle terms, that is middle terms, and this is the extreme terms, that means the outer is the extreme terms, middle is the term. So this multiply is equal to this multiply, so that is a yes. Similarly, that one B part you can do, C part also, and D part, that C you can do that one also. ml ratio 2.5 200 ml ratio 2.5 liter and that rupees 4 ratio rupees 50. So that is a middle term. These two are the middle term, middle terms, and these are the extreme terms, that is a yes, that is yes, but C is a no, so no need to write the middle term or extreme term. Now the exercise 12.3. If the cost of 7 meter cloth is this one, the cost of 7 meter, that is first question, that the cost is 7, that will be right, cost, and then cloth or cost, that cloth is 7 meter, cost is 4. We will do like this in ratio system, that will be easy than this one method. 7:147 and then proper ratio 5:x. So that multiply 7 multiply x is equal to 147 multiply 5 and then x is equal to 147 into 5 upon 7. 7 2 ja 7 1 ja, that is x is equal to 5 0 ja 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. That is a cost of 5 meter cloth is 1500. 1500. Similarly, we will do the other questions also. That second question, that is 3000 is ratio rupees 3000, days is, that is proper ratio, now days is 30. So that middle term we will see that x multiply 10 is equal to 30 multiply 3000. So that x is equal to 30 multiply 3000 and then upon 10. 1 0 cancel, 3 3 is 9, 30, 9000 rupees. That is the earning of money of 30 days. So third question, that 276 ratio 3 days, proper ratio, that will be 7 days. So that x ratio 7, x ratio 7, full week means 7 days. So that x multiply 3 is equal to 7 multiply 276. So x is equal to 7 into 270 upon 3. 3 9 ja, 3 2 ja. So that x is equal to 7 2 ja 14 and 7 9 ja 63, 64 mm. Fourth question, cost of 5 kg of wheat of rupees this one. So 5 A part, 5 ratio 9 1 decimal 5 proper ratio, that is 8 kg, 8 ratio x. So that 5 multiply x is equal to 9 1 decimal 5 into 8. So that x is equal to 1 5 into 8 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5 and then left is 4, 5 8 ja 40, 5 3 ja 15. So that x is equal to, x is equal to 8 3 ja 24, 8 8 ja 64, 65, 66 and then 8 1 ja 8, 6 14, that is a cost, that is a rate also we can apply here. And then B part, now again we will see that 5 ratio 9 1.5 proper ratio, that will be 83. So that x ratio 83. So that x multiply 9 1.5 is equal to 83 multiplied by 5. So x is equal to 83 multiply 5 upon 9 1 decimal 5. By decimal we can put the 0 here, by 5, 5 tens are, by 5 that will be 5 5 8 ja and then 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 5 3 ja 15 and then that will be, sorry, that is a 183. So that will be 183 cancel by 183. So x is equal to 10. Question number 5 is the temperature of dropped 15 degree. So that is a 15 ratio in 30 days, proper ratio, if the rate of the temperature dropped remaining the same, how many degree will be temperature in that 10 days? In 10 days. So x ratio 10. So 30 multiply x is equal to 15 multiply 10. So x is equal to 15 multiply 10 upon 30. 0 cancel by 0. 3 5 ja 15. So x is equal to 5. That is a temperature. 5 degree Celsius temperature will be. Next question number 6. Sixth question is that Sania pay that 15,000 ratio, that is for 3 months. So proper ratio that how much pay for whole year, that means 12 month. So that x multiply 3 is equal to rent pay for 3 months, this one. So whole, that will be 15,000 multiply 12, that is a 15,000 years. So x is equal to 15,000 multiply 12 upon 3. 3 4 ja, so that x is equal to 15 4 ja 60, that is 3. It means 60,000 she will pay for whole year. Seventh question. Cost of 4 dozen banana is 180. 4 dozen banana is 180. So how many banana can be purchased for 90 days? 90 days. 4 dozen means 48. Ratio, that is 180. Proper ratio, that is x ratio, that is 90. So that x multiply 180 is equal to 90 multiply 48. So x is equal to 90 multiply 48 upon 180. So that is 0 cancel by 0. 9 2 ja 2, 24 ja. So x is equal to 24. That will be 24. That will be banana. 24 banana. Now the eighth question. Eighth question is also same like this. The weight of 72 books is equal to 9 kg. Proper ratio. So what will the 40 books? So that x ratio 40. X ratio 40. So that will be, so 40 such books. The weight of 40 such books. So here will be 40 and that will be x. So 72 multiply x is equal to 9 multiply 40. So that x is equal to 9 multiply 40 upon, that is 72. 9 8 ja 72, 8 5 ja 40. So that is 5 kg answer. Now the question number 9. Question number 9 is that truck required 180 liter diesel covering for distance this one. So that is 108 liter ratio. So covering distance for 594 proper ratio that need to 16 km. So that x ratio 1650 km. So that is 594 into x is equal to 1650 into 108. So that x is equal to 1650 into 108 upon 594. So that will be cancelled by, that is cancelled by 2 5 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 9 ja or 2 7 ja, and then cancel by 3 1 ja 3 8 ja 24, that is 3 9 ja 27, 3 9 ja 27, and then divide by 9 11 ja and 9 2 ja, and then 11 1 ja 11 5 ja. So that is x is equal to 15 2 ja 30 and then 10 liter. That is a 300 liter required for that one. And then question number 10. Raju purchased 10 pen for rupee this one. So 10 ratio 150 proper ratio 7 pen. Can you say we got pen cheaper? Means Raju purchased 10 pen for rupees 150 and Manish that get 7 pen for 180 rupees. So who's cheaper? So like this we will do. So that will be 150 upon 10 is equal to, that is 15 rupees per pen. This one 84 upon 7, so that will be 7 1 ja 7 and then 7 2 ja, so that is a rupees 12. So who is a cheaper? That is a Manish. So that is Manish. And then last question you will see here. Anish made 20 run in 6 over. So that 42 upon 6 7 ja, that is 7 runs. And then 63 and that Anup that 7 9 ja 63 9 runs. So who made more run? Anup made more run. More run. That is a answer. Okay.